You have drawn a boundary with someone. You have decided to focus on the future and you have decided to move ahead. And from this situation, you're in this energy where you want to say yes to a lot of new beginnings. I'm picking up on this energy where you were a little, I would not say scared, but you were a little hesitant of giving people chances. You were just hesitant of taking new risks in your life. And now you are shifting in this energy where you know your boundaries, you're very grounded in your energy, you're very rooted, but you are also stepping into an energy where you're ready to take more risks. Someone is feeling very affected by this because they are thinking of you in a way which is very different. Like you were not this person who was so firm with their boundaries. You were always a person who would give people chances after chances. This person feels that it's very difficult for them to move on from you. It's very difficult for them to move on from this energy, especially because they didn't estimate the time that it's going to take for you to move on. They felt as if it will take a little longer for you to move on and just like be done with them, but you are done and you're just moving on, you're moving forward. This person also feels that how could it be so easy for you to move on from them? We have the King of Cups and the Hierophant at the bottom of the deck. I'm picking up on someone's energy who was not necessarily manipulative or evil to you, but this person has a tendency to hold on to their emotions. You know, this person has a tendency to not show their emotions fully. The kind of emotionally intense connection you expected from this person was not able to give you that. This person is in this energy where they are acknowledging their feelings for you and how these feelings have grown over a period of time. I think this is someone who falls in love slowly. You know, they will feel the passion, they will feel the intensity of a connection, but it's not necessary for them to make hasty decisions and get into a relationship very fast. This is someone who takes their time to fall in love. This is someone who takes their time to get into commitments. This person is noticing this about you, and honestly they are feeling much more attracted to you now because you know how to take a stand for yourself and you know when to move away from situations. Like surprisingly, yes, they didn't expect you to move on, they didn't expect you to draw a boundary and go ahead in your life, like move forward, but they are attracted to it even more. Like, you know, the distance is making this connection even more stronger. This person is in this energy where they know that with this attitude of yours, you're going to attract someone who's emotionally mature, emotionally available, the kind of person you actually need, the kind of person who matches your energy, the kind of person who is ready for the emotionally intense connection that you want. Also stable, like, you know, I'm picking up on someone who is finally respecting your need for stability. This person has waited a long time to confess their feelings. This person has waited a very long time to confess how they really, truly feel for you. A very long time. This person is in this energy where they don't necessarily know if you will be willing to accept their proposal. Because it's been a very long time. Like this person doesn't know how to come forward because it's been a very long time. This person has noticed you for a very long time. This person also feels that you are someone, you know, when you move ahead and when you move on from situations which don't really serve you, you rarely look back. I'm not picking up on someone who holds on to grudges and takes things in a negative way. I'm not picking up on that. Like, I'm picking up on someone who feels that after disrespect, it's very easy for you to disconnect. Like, once you get that emotion out of your body, it's very easy for you to disconnect. This person is in this energy where they want you, where they wish you very bad, but it's not like, you know, their actions are not matching the words. Like, you know, what they feel internally is not something how they are emoting it. That's creating a lot of stagnancy in this situation. I'm also picking up on this energy that, there can be black magic involved. Like when I say black magic, like I'm not picking up on a very destructive person or someone who is doing something to but doing something to harm your life, but I'm picking up on someone who might be using love spells or who might be using come back to me spells, some kind of subliminals, something like that. This person cannot stop thinking about this connection. This person feels that your decision to move on is just it's a final decision and you're not going to change it. So they are kind of afraid of it, and at the same time, they are turned on. That's a very weird vibe because they don't really understand why they are turned on. Like, why is it so attractive for them when you draw your boundaries and when you try to move on from this situation? They do feel rejected. They do feel as if, they you know what, like what I'm picking up on, this person has a tendency to keep people stuck, like, by not giving them closure or by not giving them answers. But now they are feeling as if you moving on and you drawing a clear boundary that you don't want them to be a part of your life is keeping them stuck. Like it's like Uno reverse, but you didn't even try to do that. Like, you just made a decision for yourself, and this person feels that it's unfair because they are now stuck on you. They know that, you're happily single, and even if you get into a relationship, you're not going to be involved at a cost uh which you have to pay, like by letting yourself go. This person knows that you are someone who is going to be in a very stable connection in the coming future. You're not chasing fake people. You know what I'm picking up on? This person feels that it's been a very long time. Like, that's the main message that I'm picking up on. Like, this person tries to come forward and tell you what they feel, or they want to be emotionally involved, but then they feel that, oh, it's been so long. It's better if I just stay quiet. Like, it's better if I just don't move forward with this. Because this person doesn't want to come forward. They don't want to come off as someone who chases you, or like, you feel obligated to be with them. They don't want that. They don't want that. They want you to happily reconnect with them. They also feel like you have a tendency to detect fake people very fast, like, but sometimes your judgment gets clouded. Like, sometimes you have a tendency to cut off people very fast because you feel that they are fake. So that is something which they are scared of, because it's like walking on eggshells. Like around you, they might get cut off anytime, and that is something which they don't necessarily feel that they are ready for, because emotionally they are involved. And let's say if they come forward and express how they feel, you might dismiss them totally. That's something that they are kind of like afraid of. Like, they don't want to feel rejected by you. This person tries to forget you. This person tries to not think about the future. But right now, this person is in this energy where they are denying how much they care for you, and they are blaming the timing. This person is keeping themselves stuck in this loop of overthinking this connection and not coming forward and expressing how they feel. But you moving on with your life is the best decision, the best action that you can take at this point of time, because you moving on is actually turning them on. Yeah, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Bye bye.